Pretty brown eyes, you're my pretty brown eyes. They all know you and they want you.
Okay, you guys, so how are you liking this color? So I've been on this like color kick. I've been loving like bright, fun colors, and I definitely wanted to do a pink color. I've done pink in the past, but I really wanted to do it again and revamp it. So first, let's get into the hair I use. I use a 613 wig from Wiggins hair, and this is a full lace wig, and I love their full lace wigs. They're very nice quality, very full, not too thin, not overly thick, just perfect. And this wig is stretchable. On the inside, it comes with combs and also an adjustable band. Now, what I like about Wiggins hair wig is that the hairline comes already pre-plucked, so I didn't have to pluck my hairline. All I did was like cut my baby hairs, but the wigs come already pre-plucked, which saves you a whole lot of time. Okay, this wig was about 24 inches, and I did trim it a little bit, but not too much. Very, very nice and soft, and I really like that their 613 blonde wigs come very platinum. They're very like almost white blonde. They don't have a yellow tint to them, which is exactly what you want when you're going for this like kind of candy type of colors. So the hair color that I use is my Tintation colors from Kiss Colors. I used 2 bottles of color. The first color that I went in with was the color Rose Gold. And that's what I put at the top. It kind of has like that rosy pink tone. It doesn't really come off as like golden to me, which is okay. Most rose gold colors don't really look gold. It's kind of like a pinky type of rosy color, and I painted that all throughout the hair from the roots all the way to like the midpoint of the hair. Then I went in with the color Salmon, which is kind of like the color of pink salmon. And what I did was go ahead and paint that on the ends of the hair and kind of like blend it into the top. That way you can have like a nice ombre effect. I really like the bright pink fading into the nice dark pink. I think it's a really cute look. I let this sit on the hair for about 30 minutes to process, and then I washed and conditioned it, let it air dry. So now I'm going to go in and make this a side part, and what you want to do is just part your hair off, use a blow dryer, and just kind of mold your wig into place. And then I'm just gonna throw some curls into it. I went in with my Babyliss Pro curling iron. I just did big curls all over. I wanted it to have this like loose curly look. I didn't want tight curls whatsoever. And once I was done curling, I did go in and spray a little bit of hairspray on the hair, just so the curls can last a bit longer. Once I put on my unit, I actually brushed out the curls. I didn't want it curly at all. I kind of wish I would have made it straight. So as you guys can see, my hair is now in the middle part because I didn't really like the side part action. You guys know I'm a middle part girl. Every time I try side parts, I prefer middle parts on myself. But I'm living for this hair. It's very festive, very, very pretty, you guys. Like, don't be scared to wear colors if you're a dark skinned girl. Like, as long as you put it on right, your edges looking bright, everything blends together, you can pretty much wear whatever color you want. And you want to make sure you play up your makeup with your hair, you know. Just have like complimentary eyeshadow and lipstick and everything, and it should look good. I do feel like when you have these wacky colors, I would suggest having your makeup a little bit more toned down, or either if you're gonna do like bold eyeshadow, don't do bold lips, you know, it's because it's just too much boldness going on. So just, you know, pick your focus. And the wig is very soft. It's not shedding or anything like that. I really didn't have any problems with the hair taking to the color. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to thumb me up, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.
You know that I always